Namaskar. Energy is very crucial in our life, even to carry out simplest of the tasks. But many feel dull and lethargic during day, which makes it difficult to get engaged in any activity. Most of our energy is drained due to overexhaustion, not only of our physical body, but of our mind. Performing professional tasks, domestic chores, as well as overuse of devices entirely drain our energy out. The best technique to restore electrolyte balance in our body is to have a good energy drink. You do not have to choose from chemically induced drinks, caffeine, and sugary drinks. I am going to share a powerful energy drink today, and this drink will instantly revitalize you. It's a simple recipe with easily available ingredients. This simple homemade drink will replenish the energy loss due to busy workload, anxiety, and tension in the most natural and safe way without using any chemicals or sugary compounds. Now understand ingredients. First, 3 slices of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoonful of Ashwagandha powder, 1/4 teaspoon of licorice powder, that is Jeshtimad powder, half cup of Amla fresh juice, and 1 glass of buttermilk. Now understand the method of preparation. Add all the ingredients in a glass of buttermilk. Blend well using a good blender until it becomes smooth. If you require to be little lighter taste, then add little more water into it. If ginger does not get blended well with the other mixture, then you can crush ginger separately, squeeze the juice and add that into buttermilk. Once the buttermilk and all the ingredients are mixed well, then take it in the glass and drink it. This drink is a combination of powerful ingredients. Each ingredient in this drink has effective medicinal and therapeutic property. First is ginger. Ginger can aid in release of mental tiredness and improve concentration and focus. It improves blood circulation and regulates blood sugar level, which might help you to feel more energetic and less fatigued. Second, buttermilk. Buttermilk instantly accelerates digestive capacity and proper metabolic activities. Buttermilk contains riboflavin, a vitamin B, which is essential for your body to generate energy. It also aids in the regulation of amino acids, which are the building blocks for protein. Third, ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is known as an energy booster herb. Its dual potential simultaneously energizes and relaxes your muscles. When taken in the morning, ashwagandha really energizes you for the whole day. It also helps calming down your hyperactive nervous system. Fourth, Amla. Amla is a natural energizer that boosts energy and stamina by alleviating exhaustion, stress, and toxins in the body. Amla is the richest source of vitamin C that helps build immunity and a very good source for energy. Fifth, turmeric. Turmeric has a stabilizing effect on your mood as well as your energy level. Turmeric contains antibiotic property. The curcumin compound in turmeric helps to reduce swelling and inflammation, thereby reducing the fatigue in the system. Sixth ingredient is licorice or mulethi. Licorice roots have immune boosting property. It helps to treat morning tiredness and fatigue by stimulating the production of cortisol. Cortisol is a very important hormone that aids in the functioning of various things, such as responding to stress, fighting infection, and regulating in blood sugar and so on. So, drink this powerful energy booster drink daily and boost your energy level without raising your blood sugar level. Instead of opting for preserved drink or certain energy boosting tablets, prepare this simple energizing drink daily at home and see that you are boosting with energy. Try and spend some time to remain healthy and energized. Take care. Yoga works wonders here because when you are taking a healthy drink and taking one or two long breaths or stretching your body a bit, you are going to remain healthy, going to remain energetic and enthusiastic in life, happy in life. And so be happy and live life fully. Namaskar.